Electronics keep getting more expensive, so Xreal is launching a new product line that is designed to be more affordable from the get-go. At $299, these are several $100s cheaper than Xreal's other offerings, yet don't look or feel like a cheaper option at all. That begins with box contents, which have a unique look when compared to Xreal's other glasses. The included case is fabric and has a prominent XBX logo on top, while other Xreal glasses ship with a faux leather-style case. The included USB-C cable is plenty loud looking, with a rebellious yellow color and a soft texture, while Xreal's other glasses come with gray and black woven cables. And the glasses are a style all their own too. These remind me a bit of the cyberpunk glasses from Veacher, with a transparent chassis and bright highlights all over. Heck, that rocket ship packaging it ships in should have already given you an idea of what Xreal is going for here, and the style is even customizable with interchangeable frames. That standard frame looks like an ordinary pair of sunglasses, but you can buy a slew of additional options to swap them out with. While some other Xreal glasses have swappable frame colors, this one lets you pop the entire front off and replace it with basically anything, a saying you can take literally since Xreal has Maker World 3D printing params that you can make yourself. I can't wait to see what the community does with this. No tools are required to swap these out, but I was absolutely worried that I'd break them the first time I tried to remove them. It's a single piece that connects to notches in the frame, so you pop them off using your thumbs to push outward. Xreal reassured me saying that I would have to try really hard to break them, and so far, that seems to be the case. You can also pop off the nose pads and choose from one of the 3 included sizing options to best fit your face, which is similar to other Xreal glasses. The arms have redesigned hinges with significantly more springiness, which should help them fit on even more people's heads. These are also 20 grams lighter than Xreal 1S, and I immediately noticed the weight difference the second I put them on. They're easily the most comfortable pair of smart glasses I've used to date because of it. Part of that comfort also comes from the displays, which feature 3840 Hz PWM dimming via the SIA panels. Xreal says these output 1600 nits, which makes them the brightest Xreal glasses to date. Rayneo also uses SIA panels, and these offer the best eye care dimming in the industry. X by Xreal uses a new Pixelworks chipset capable of 8-bit and 10-bit output. Xreal says this is native HDR10 output, and the AI HDR option automatically converts SDR signals into substantially higher contrast, making it look seriously excellent. I played lots of 007 First Light on my Steam Deck using this mode and was blown away by how much better it looked when enabled. Xreal says the next-gen birdbath optics on these glasses make the display appear at a 4-meter focal distance, so while this is not adjustable, it is a comfortable distance that I can use without prescription inserts. The 120Hz refresh rate looks perfectly smooth and is identical to other similar glasses. There's no instant 3D mode here since this does not feature Xreal's X1 chip, but it does support smooth follow via clever use of the accelerometer inside. This means you can get a jitter-free experience even though these glasses don't support 3DoF or 6DoF tracking. They're the first pair of smart glasses in this price range that offer such a feature, which is truly a big deal. Using the smooth follow mode uses low persistence black frame insertion to keep the motion blur at bay, which introduces 120Hz flicker along with much more intense PWM dimming. I didn't find this as comfortable as the anchor modes on other Xreal glasses, but 120Hz generally works well for me, so your mileage may vary depending on your sensitivity to flicker. Smooth Follow also only supports the SDR display mode, so no HDR10 or AI HDR modes while using this feature. These glasses also don't sport electrochromic dimming, so the amount of light you see through the lenses relies entirely on which frames you have snapped onto the front. The speakers are also a bit on the quiet side, so I'd say stick to wearing headphones unless you're somewhere quiet. Overall, these are incredible glasses and the new champion of the $300 budget price point. Xreal didn't just do this by offering better specs than the competition or cool new features either. It's pioneering an interesting new modular design and sporting the lightest frame on the market, giving you several reasons to choose these glasses over other, more expensive ones for more than just the price. If you enjoyed that video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.